Jay Leno isn't just a comedian or television icon, he's also one of the most passionate car enthusiasts on the planet. His garage is a sanctuary for automotive masterpieces, with more than 180 cars and 160 motorcycles spanning over a century of innovation and engineering excellence. But among this incredible collection are a few standouts. Vehicles so rare, so valuable, and so historically significant that they're simply untouchable. Today, we're diving into the 15 most untouchable cars in Jay Leno's garage. 15. 1966 Corvair Yenko Stinger. Starting off our list is the 1966 Corvair Yenko Stinger, a car that redefined what the Corv could be. Modified by the legendary Don Yenko, this Stinger packs a punch with its 16-horsepower flat-six engine and lightweight bod for Jay. This car represents an underdog story in American racing history. It's a reminder of how ingenuity can elevate even a modest car into something extraordinary. Its rarity and the Yenko name make it a prized possession in Jay's collection. 14. 1931 Duesenberg Model J-Town car. The 1931 Duesenberg Model J-Town car is a symbol of the roaring 1920s opulence. With its massive straight-eight engine and handcrafted body, it was the car of choice for royalty, celebrities, and industrial tycoons. Jay's Model J is one of the finest examples left in the world. He often says, "If you owned Duesenberg, you weren't just wealthy, you were making a statement." And that statement holds true to this day. 13. 1963 Chrysler Turbine car. At number 13, we revisit the groundbreaking 1963 Chrysler Turbine car. This experimental vehicle runs on a turbine engine that can burn virtually any fuel. Jay Leno's turbine car isn't just rare, it's a piece of automotive mythology. With only 9 surviving units, this car holds a special place in Jay's heart for its innovation and futuristic design. It's a testament to what could have been if turbine engines had become mainstream. 12th, 1906 Stanley Steamer Vanderbilt Cup. The 1906 Stanley Steamer Vanderbilt Cup racer is a true relic of early motorsport. This steam-powered racer was ahead of its time, capable of reaching speeds over 100 miles per hour, unheard of in the early 20th century. Jay's enthusiasm for steam cars is well documented, and this racer is a crown jewel in his collection. It's not just a car. It's a piece of history that paved the way for modern motorsport. 11. 1955 Buick Roadmaster. The 1955 Buick Roadmaster holds a special place in Jay's collection because it was his very first car. This restored classic reminds him of his early days of driving and working on cars. What makes it untouchable is its sentimental value. No matter how many rare or expensive cars Jay owns, this Buick is where it all began. At number 10, we have the McLaren P1, a cutting-edge hypercar that combines a twin-turbo V8 with an electric motor for a staggering 903 horsepower. Jay's P1 isn't just a technological marvel. It's also one of the most exclusive cars in his collection, with only 375 units ever made. It's untouchable because it represents the pinnacle of modern automotive engineering. 9. 1934 Duesenberg Walker Coupe. The 1934 Duesenberg Walker Coupe is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. With its aerodynamic design and massive power, it's a rolling example of the Art Deco era. At its finest, Jay's Walker Coupe is as rare as it gets. He often refers to it as a functional sculpture, and its status as the only one in existence makes it untouchable. 8. 1972 Citroën SM. The Citroën SM was a technological marvel of its time, combining French engineering with an Italian Maserati V6 engine. Its innovative suspension system gives it a ride quality that feels like floating on air. Jay's SM stands out for its blend of futuristic design and cutting-edge technology, making it one of the most unique cars in his collection. 7. 1928 Bentley Speed 6. The 1928 Bentley Speed 6 is a Le Mans winning legend. With its handcrafted body and powerful straight-six engine, this car is a cornerstone of British racing history. Jay's Speed 6 is a perfect example of pre-war engineering excellence, and its historical significance makes it an irreplaceable part of his garage. 6. 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado. Jay's 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado is far from ordinary. While the original car was revolutionary with its front-wheel drive, Jay took it a step further by installing a 1,000-horsepower engine. This car isn't just a collector's item, it's a testament to Jay's love for pushing the limits of what's possible. 5. 2017 Ford GT. The 2017 Ford GT is a modern icon. With a twin-turbocharged V6 EcoBoost engine and a top speed of 216 miles per hour, it's as much a race car as it is a road car. Jay's Ford GT is particularly special because of its exclusivity. Only 1,350 units were produced. It's untouchable because it represents the best of American engineering. 4. 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing. The 300 SL Gullwing is an automotive icon. Known for its distinctive doors and groundbreaking fuel injection system, it was the fastest car of its time. Jay considers his Gullwing one of the most beautiful cars ever made. Its combination of rarity and historical significance makes it a true treasure in his garage. 3. 1971 Lamborghini Miura S. The Lamborghini Miura is often credited as the world's first supercar. With its mid-engine layout and jaw-dropping design, it set the template for every supercar that followed. Jay's Miura S is a pristine example of this groundbreaking car, making it one of the most untouchable vehicles in his collection. 2. McLaren F1. The McLaren F1 is widely regarded as one of the greatest cars ever made. With its naturally aspirated V12 engine and record-breaking top speed, it's a true engineering marvel. Jay's F1 is one of his most cherished cars, and for good reason. It's untouchable in every sense of the word. 1. 1936 Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic. Topping our list of Jay Leno's most untouchable cars is the 1936 Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic. With only 4 ever built and just 2 surviving in original condition, this car is one of the most valuable automobiles in existence. For Jay, this car isn't just an investment, it's a piece of art and history. Its untouchable status is unquestionable. Jay Leno's garage is more than just a collection. It's a museum, a workshop, and a love letter to the automobile itself. You'll be hard-pressed to find a car collection that rivals it anywhere in the world. These 15 cars are the crown jewels of that collection. If you like what you've seen, please comment, like, and subscribe to Chrome & Coffee for the best of the car world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.